Discord doesn't usually have too many technical issues, however sometimes one particularly annoying one you can run into on desktop is this one, where you just see this little startup window loading the app forever. So what could actually be preventing Discord from launching if you find yourself in this position? Well, we'll be going over some of the very basic troubleshooting steps you can take in this very video. By far the easiest one is to simply just close down Discord completely and trying again. However, it doesn't always just mean closing down a window. Instead, we want to ensure everything Discord related is properly shut down. So just simply right click on your Windows button in the bottom left and then click on Task Manager. And then in Processes, make sure to click End Task on anything Discord related you find there. And only then you can try turning Discord on again and seeing if that helps. If it still isn't working, then it could be something with the connection to Discord services. Now that could either be something on your end or on their end. So make sure that you do have an internet connection by just looking in the bottom right and seeing if your proper internet connection is showing up. And also testing your internet connection, which you can do by just trying to access literally any web page and seeing if it works. Also make sure that any kind of apps on your computer that actually rely on the internet, not just things in your internet browser, also work. If that's all fine, then it could be something on Discord's end, and you can check that by going to this very page right here, which will show you the status of the various Discord services, and it will tell you if Discord is currently down. So if it is down, there's not much you can do apart from just wait until the services are back up. If it still isn't working, there's a couple of other things you can do, including running Discord as an admin to seeing if that helps. Instead of launching it by left clicking on it, right click on it and then click on Run as Administrator and see if that helps. And if none of that helps, you can also just do the classic trick of turning your PC off and on again and see if maybe that actually helps. Now there could also be some updates available for Windows that you need to install first for Discord to properly run. That could be a thing. Go into Settings. From there go into Updates and see if there's anything queued, and if there is, make sure to download and install it first. If none of that helped, then you may just want to uninstall Discord completely and then reinstalling it and see if that helps. Now unfortunately you can't delete Discord like most other apps, so you have to do it via this process. First, look up the Run program within Windows and then open it up. And then type in app data in this little window that pops up. This will bring up Windows Explorer, and in it you want to first click on local and then find and delete Discord inside that, and that will remove Discord from your PC. Then you just want to grab Discord yet again from the Discord website and install it once it's downloaded. So those are the main troubleshooting steps you can take if Discord isn't turning on Windows. So hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, maybe subscribe to How to Authority for more like this in the future.